Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a really interesting topic. How do genetic mutations affect insulin production? It's fascinating to think about why some people struggle with insulin production while others seem to have no issues at all. And the answer often lies in our genes. So let's break it down. Genetic mutations are basically changes in our DNA that can mess with how our bodies function. When it comes to insulin, these mutations can disrupt the normal workings of the pancreas, which is the organ responsible for producing insulin. Insulin is super important because it helps control our blood sugar levels. If there's a hiccup in insulin production, it can lead to some serious health issues, including diabetes. One key player in this whole process is the INS gene. This gene is crucial because it encodes the insulin protein. If there are alterations in the INS gene, it can lead to reduced insulin output or even a complete lack of insulin, which is a hallmark of type 1 diabetes. Then there's the ABCC8 gene, which affects how potassium channels operate in pancreatic cells. Mutations here can also change how insulin is secreted. And let's not forget about the MTHFR gene. This one's important too. It's primarily involved in folate metabolism, but mutations in this gene can impact overall metabolic health and insulin sensitivity. If you have mutations in the MTHFR gene, you might be at a higher risk for insulin resistance, which can eventually lead to type 2 diabetes. Now, I've got to tell you, understanding my own genetic makeup was a real eye-opener for me. I found out that my family has a history of diabetes, and it made me wonder if there were specific genetic factors at play. That's when I discovered Plexus DX and their personalized health reports. They offer insights into your genetic predispositions, including factors related to insulin production. It's like having a roadmap to better health. So if you're curious about your own genetic health, I highly recommend considering genetic testing. If diabetes runs in your family, or you're concerned about your insulin production, tests like methylation genetic testing can provide valuable information. Just remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider after you get your results. They can help you interpret the findings and create a personalized health plan that fits your needs. And don't forget, lifestyle changes can also make a big difference. Eating a balanced diet, staying active, managing stress, and keeping an eye on your health can all positively impact insulin production and overall well-being. To wrap things up, understanding how genetic mutations affect insulin production can really empower you to take charge of your health. If you're interested in exploring this further, check out the Precision Health and Wellness tests from Plexus DX. You can find them at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. Links to these tests are provided in the show notes below. If you found today's episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to Ask Plexus DX. And remember, your genetic understanding is a powerful tool for achieving optimal health. The following is an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment.